Hello guys, TheMadeMan here, and today it's a little bit different from what I normally do here, but today I'm gonna be showing one, one of the first cars of my Lowrider pack. So here today we have an Esperanto. You can see here, it looks pretty normal, but I've adapted to Lowriders, and now it has its own tuning parts and paint jobs. Here I'm going to show you what it has, what options you have. So let's come along for the ride. First thing you can see here, now you modified at local low instead of transfender. Here are the paint jobs I made. I mean, other members made. Thanks guys. But I'm gonna show you this flame paint job that I can paint. Let's go with green. Grove Street. And then the interior and the lawn door, whatever you call it, is also paintable. It has various options like other lowriders. Has proper hydraulic system. 2 exhaust options. 3 grills, I mean front option. First is the grill. Second is the lights. And then we have the pull horns. I'm gonna go with lights. And then we have this main lander kit, which is basically the Continental kit. And then we have arch covers and chrome trims. I'm going with arch covers. And that's all the parts I have for this car. It has proper hydraulic system. It has a model. You can also use this into the Lowrider challenge. But this is it for today's video. I'm TheMadeMan. Subscribe for this kind of content and press like button if you like the video. See you in next video. Thanks for watching.